have been feeling the stones while trying to cross the river of difficulties, and I have finally arrived here after overcoming all the challenges at hand as an artist during the pandemic. My name is Mengyun, and I'm a Chinese artist based in London at the moment. I am a painter primarily, but in the past few years my practice has expanded to the realm of architecture, and I also explore other forms of media in order to inform the painted image better by providing a spatial context. I am extremely grateful and excited to see everybody's work, and I think it's definitely a great achievement that we can put everything together, make this possible after filling all the stones. When I first heard about this Biennale, I was very intrigued by the fact that it's a Biennale made together by Saudi Arabia and China. And it's a very interesting combination of collaborators, and it proves itself to be very effective and interesting because of the different perspectives that set itself or distinguish itself from the other biennales in the world, in the West, in Europe. The title of my work for the biennial is called The Pavilion of Three Mirrors, and this body of work was tailored specifically for this context of the biennial, especially speaking to the two collaborators, which are Saudi Arabia and China. And you know, and I encountered this very interesting story written by the 12th century Persian poet Nizami. It's a fictional story about Alexander the Great, who's having an argument with the Chinese emperor about who's the superior painter, the Chinese or the Greeks. The room is divided by a curtain, and when they finish painting, the curtain is unveiled, and both emperors were surprised to see two identical paintings. And the Greek painters, well, there's barely any information about what's painted by the Greek, but upon closer observation of the Chinese painting, they realized that the Chinese did not paint, they simply polished a mirror. So I was very intrigued by this particular story and felt that it must be the perfect story for this biennial, because it is exactly about the kind of historical and cultural interaction between China and Islam. I took the story as a departure of making, and I designed this mirror pavilion in order to recreate this idea of the reflection, the polished mirror. I guess what I really want to say to the younger generation of the audience here is that while you look into the future of westernization and opening up and becoming international, at the same time it's important to seek what's valuable in the past. How can you bring the past to the present and to the future? It is my first time here in Saudi Arabia, and I'm already very impressed by the hospitality here and the kindness and passion of people here, especially you know, the way they treat me as a person, as an artist. It was just very touching and incredible, and I look forward to getting to know more people and experience the city.